Yeah, hi Fraser, it's Mark at FMAV. Okay, just to let you know that I've done your laser for you. So basically, I ran it and it was, a skip a disc, parts of a disc, and it just would skip. I weren't finding any other errors than that. So I did take it apart, obviously, and check all the cogs. So I've checked the cogs to make sure that there is not any, like double cogging type of thing where they bend over, or you got a little bit of dirt trapped in a cog, which is very, very common because they're just like grease balls. So I did that. Obviously, check your micro switch. It's not nothing to do with a micro switch on that. I've put a new laser in, and I've had it up and running now for several hours, and I'm not getting any skips on it. So hopefully this has sorted it out. So let me just turn that up for you, and you can hear it there. Yeah, a bit of a mess up on here because it's been a Metronome. I haven't got the magnetic part that goes on top. I've got I've got several parts that I use for doing my things, but that one's a special one because it's a deeper one and it needs to be magnetic. So, but yeah, you can see I'll just go up a track there. There's another track I'll go up. I'll just turn that. So yeah, it's playing well. So I can get that in a post for you tomorrow. As soon as I get payment, I'll get that out for you. So hopefully, all that'll be great. Thank you very much, and yeah, I'll get that back to you ASAP. With that, you got a 6-month warranty. You got a 6-month warranty on that, on parts and labour, on the actual laser itself. But I can't guarantee, obviously, the other parts. I've looked at them; they seem okay. But if anything else goes, but on the laser itself, we'll replace the laser free of charge. All we ever asked for is the postage. So yeah, great. So thank you very much for your business, and we do appreciate it. Have a great day.